Okay, so in the last video we looked at the major chords or happy chords. There's another bunch of chords that get used a massive amount in lots of popular songs, and those are minor chords or the chords that sound sad. And most songs have got a mixture of two. So because you're here, hopefully we'll give you those minor chords very, very easily, and then you'll have the tools at your command. The piano will be unlocked enough that you can go away and learn the songs that you want to play. So let's just quickly recap how we make those major chords. Okay, let's start with a C chord. Okay, so here's A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There it is. There's our C chord. That's the happy version. All I need to do, and this is the key, and it's so simple, to change that from a happy chord to a sad chord, or a major chord to a minor chord, is take my middle finger and move it down this way, one key. Happy, sad. Okay, that's it. That's the key to doubling your chord repertoire. Doesn't matter which of the chords that I've taught you, all you need to do is play the normal chord and move your middle finger down one to play the sad version or the minor version of that chord. So let's try that out, okay? Let's try D. There's D. We're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There it is. There's the normal major happy version. What do I need to do to change it into a minor version? I take my middle finger and I move it down this way, one key. Sad version, minor, D minor. Well, notice this, count up, A, B, C, D, E. E was a triangle shape, if I remember, so it's going to be that shape. Okay, make it a minor. All I do is take my middle finger, move it down one key this way. There we go, E minor, E major, E minor, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, flat, white shape. F major, happy. To make it a minor, move my middle finger down this way, one key. F minor. It's that simple. Okay? So you should have there, now, the ability to play major chords by starting and counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Or have minor chords by finding your start note and counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That's a different way of thinking about it. So you can either play the major chord and move the finger, or you can change how you think about spacing those numbers. So here we go, for a major chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. For a minor chord, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just swapping the 3 and the 4s around. Does that make sense? I hope so. It's not too complicated a concept, I don't think. Again, if you just do that, go through those playing your major chords and swap into the minor chords, you'll very quickly become familiar with what the shapes are associated with those names, whether it's an E minor or an F minor or a C chord or a D chord or an E minor chord. Very, very quickly you become very familiar with what those shapes are if you just spend a little bit of time practicing. But the best way to practice is to actually go and find a song that you really, really want to learn to play. Now, the really great thing about that is that we have this thing called the internet, which is amazing. And somebody somewhere has written down the chords for every song that's been written. It's amazing what people do. So what I want you to do is think about some of the songs that you'd really, really like to be able to play, that you're really motivated to go away and find out about. And I'd like you to go to Google, type in the name of that song, and type in the word chords after it, and go and find a song that you want to play. A little bit of word of warning, some of them are more advanced than others. I would advise you find one that has maybe 4 chords that are just a mixture of major chords are minor chords. You can tell they're minor chords because they'll have a little M written next to them. Okay, I'll put some graphics on the video so you can see what they look like. There are some other symbols as well and some other types of chords that I'm going to cover in another video. But with those 14 chords, you have enough at your fingertips to go away and, like I say, play hundreds of thousands of songs. So go away, have some fun with it, look at some of the links we're going to put up for it, and enjoy it. There you go, 14 chords in, what have we done, 15 minutes?